here. I didn't ask him to do anything. It's Valentine's tomorrow, so whatever. He's so sweet and all that jazz. Scrappy wants one too. You want flower? You want teddy bear? You want teddy bear? Ask your dada, you want teddy bear? Okay, my husband is right there. My goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so sleepy. We're off to the boat. We're here in San Pedro, guys. What the?
It's no secret, but I love you.
Thanks, sour. Oops, my
What?
thing.
Schumacher, what'd you do? Just give us
Okay,
sign.
guys, that's the place. My husband got this cute flower.
We still haven't went to the pet shop.
Yeah. Isn't it cute, guys?
Hey, what happened?
Happy Valentine's, everyone. Happy Valentine's. Back to the boat life. A weekend boatcation begins again. It's really cold in here, guys. It's cold in San Pedro, California. That's a new boat. Right there at the front. Wow.
Total 50.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, got the down below.
Wow. New neighbor. They got new roads and everything. Happy Valentine's, everyone. My flower is like it's too windy here. Again. It's called Gale Force Wind. Okay, I'm getting ready to hop on the boat.
Look at the sunset. Did you show it?
Yes, beautiful.
Then, okay. So, my wife just opened everything up. I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. So she just opened up and pulled everything in while I was out here waiting. And I was filming some of the winds out here. The sunset and just out here on the ocean, all the gale force winds. See all the current and everything. There's my wife grabbing the last, her flower. I was just showing how I've put extra ropes. Actually, they're called lines. I'm not supposed to use the word ropes. Lines to hold the boat so it doesn't move as much. Got that. Looks like the dinghy's all okay. We got some pretty high winds here. I don't know how long they've been going on. Here's another extra line I got from my neighbor. It's a pretty good one, so if it goes forward, it'll stop. Yeah, things look pretty good. My paddle board is pretty tight up there. I ain't going nowhere. Yeah. There's the winds. Out here, you can kind of see the waves. Just this little tiny marina. A lot of waves for all the hills around us and everything. There's our neighbor coming down the road. See her, she's coming down the road. Yep, so that's it. We're gonna go inside now. Tracy's walking up the gangway here. She grabbed her food. Oh yeah.
I forgot my Fitbit charger for a week, so I'm just now charging my Fitbit watch.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
It's so dead.
Here, let's show you what I got here. This is a little package of roast beef. It's freshly made from the Alpine Village, and then they slice it for you. It makes amazing sandwiches. $8.22, and that's going to make quite a few sandwiches actually. It's pretty heavy. And then I got these for breakfast. Oops. Raisin muffin of some kind.
It's big.
It's big, man. I might eat it for dinner. And then I brought my wife, I didn't tell her yet, cherry Danish.
Really?
Yeah.
No plain?
They didn't have anything. This was all they had. So that's why you see what you see there, because they were out of everything. He's scruffy. He goes, thank God I'm in here.
It's good anyways.
Yeah. It will be good. Let's see how good this will be. Mmm. That's good. I don't know what it is, but there's raisins.
Sometimes sleep like that.
What?
How can you sleep like that? It's so windy.
I can sleep. Watch.
Just getting settled.
Oh, forgot to mention. Homemade mozzarella to melt. Okay, what you do is you take the roast beef, throw it in the pan, melt a little mozzarella on it, throw it on a nice soft bread. Where's that soft bread?
So it's in the bag right there.
My mom came up with this bread somehow. I don't know where or what. As you can see, it's so soft. And see, I took a little piece off it. And to chew it, and it's so chewy and soft. Throw some of that roast beef, hot.
Looks like something she made.
No, she got it somewhere. She can't even remember where. She's kind of. Anyways. That's gonna make one heck of a sandwich. Little roast beef, mozzarella slider. Oh yeah. And then those with hot coffee in the morning. Oh yeah. With our new coffee maker. Look at that baby. It makes, you wouldn't believe the cup of coffee that thing makes.
Coffee cubano.
It's like a Keurig, you know, but so it shoots out this really like fresh coffee. Okay guys, it's really getting some gale force winds here. See that out there? I don't know if you can see the waves and the wind gusts. It's pretty amazing. You asked me, why am I standing here with no pants or jacket? Well, a little crazy, but not really. It's not that bad. I wish I knew how cold it was, but I'm gonna say, what do you think it is? Temperature wise? She's saying 52 or something, but I don't think so. I'm gonna check my phone, actually, and see right now. I'm gonna check. Okay, Google. What's the temperature of where I'm at right now?
The current temperature in San Diego is 58 degrees.
San Diego? Okay, it says 58 currently in San Diego. I'm not in San Diego, I'm in Long Beach. Okay, Google. What's the temperature at Long Beach Marina?
Right now in Long Beach it's 59 degrees and mostly sunny. Today, it'll be clear with clouds from time to time, with a forecasted high of 62 and a low of 53.
See, 59. It's not bad. It's probably 55. Could be even 54, but I mean, I'm not wearing a jacket. It'd be nice to have one on, but I didn't put one on, so haven't bothered. We'll go down into our little cabin and turn a little heater on and you know, warm up. All the wind's blowing over us and around us. Once we shut this door, you know, we don't know what's going on out there. She's wondering how we're gonna sleep, but it's gonna be nice, I think. Watch some nice movies tonight with some hot chocolate or hot tea and chill out. All right, well, I'm gonna end this video with my wife Lily Beth putting everything away. She takes care of everything for me. I'm the big baby Dumulog, and so she.
I brought some durian hopya.
Whoa! It makes me burp when I eat that.
It's stinking good.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna get a hot cup of tea going here. Sweet. Come on, Sour, tell us what you're doing.
Making sure all the stuff goes in the fridge.
What stuffs?
The veggies, eggs. You know, you don't want it staying.
Hi, Scruffy. The thing. She's saying thing, guys. Tell her, don't say thing.
Yeah, so I am done here. I'm done putting away all the stuff in the fridge. Now the rice cooker, I don't know if I'm gonna use it this weekend, but just in case.
Maybe we could have a little rice with our sandwich.
Yeah. Rice and egg and sausage. Yeah, that's sausage.
You have it?
I got the sausage.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Okay. All right. Well, say goodbye to Scruffy. Oh, look at it. He's saying hi guys. Hi guys. What are you doing? He likes to put his head there because he thinks he might get a jackpot food or something. And he'll only take the food if we say okay. If we say the word okay, then he goes and he sticks his tongue out like a lizard and catches the food and brings it to his mouth. but he won't take it unless you say it's okay.
Alright.
Alright.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video.
Alright. First one I've ever done. I'm just kind of excited about coming down to the boat. Don't know if we'll be able to go out tomorrow, but I want to.
It's gonna be cloudy again.
Yeah, I only like to go out in the sunny, but we'll see. Little run to the lighthouse never hurts, and
Our favorite place to go.
yeah, the lighthouse takes 30 minutes to get there, maybe 45 if you take your time, and there's seals along the way, sea lions, whatever they are, and we can't figure that out. But we want to go to the Queen Mary,
Soon.
so
It's gonna happen soon.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thanks everyone. Bye for now.
Wave.
See you soon.
Wave. Bye bye.